You want the secret to the easiest, tastiest applesauce ever? Of course you do. We're ditching the long simmering and firing up the Instant Pot to get that perfect, cozy flavor in a snap. You're gonna love this one. Let's get cooking. 3 pounds of gorgeous peeled and cored apples straight into the pot. Use both sweet and tart varieties of apples. Now don't go crazy, we only need to add a half a cup of water. Seriously, that's all. Now, it's not a party without cinnamon, right? We're adding 1 teaspoon and don't be shy with it. This is going to give us that warm, cozy fall in a bowl vibe we've been absolutely craving. Honestly, the smell alone makes this worth it. Now, don't skip the lemon juice. We're adding 1 teaspoon. You might think it's weird, but it's actually my secret weapon. Not only does it brighten up the flavor and make those apples pop, but it acts as a total natural preservative to keep everything fresh. Now we need a little liquid gold. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use maple syrup or even brown sugar, but honey adds this incredibly smooth and floral note that makes the whole dish sing. It's the perfect way to round out that tartness from the apples and the lemon. Plus, it melts into everything beautifully while it cooks under pressure. Time to lock it in. Get that lid on, make sure it's sealed, and we're pressure cooking for just 5 minutes. That's all it takes to get everything tender and perfect. Alright, the cook timer just went off, but we're not done. Let the pressure naturally release for 10 minutes. After that, hit the quick release to release the rest of that steam. Now, here's the fun part. Texture. If you're like me and want it silky smooth, grab an immersion blender right in the pot, or use a standard one. If you like it chunky, just take a potato masher to it. It's totally your call. It's officially ready to serve. If you loved this one, smash that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.